Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to a new session, new live trading session on Monday to start the week, 6th of June 2022, 9:24 a.m., less than 6 minutes for the market to open. Hope that you all had a great weekend, some time to relax a bit and getting ready for a new day, a new week ahead. So starting with the futures, we have Nasdaq right now as we speak up 1.5% this morning, so bouncing from the Friday lows. So we had a beautiful reversal sell on Friday. We played it nicely with some nice shorts. Okay, so I hope that you enjoy it. And it's still exactly where it should, the 8 and 21 day moving average. So that's our support for the week. So we bounce around 50% retracement from the Friday candle. We have some trouble here to make new highs on the pre-market session. So what I want to see is if we are going to fade this bounce, this oversold bounce this morning. So I'll be watching. This is my line in the sand. If they fade it below and roll over, what we should be looking, the 8 and 21 day moving average, that's around Friday lows. And below that, yeah, that can get very early for a rollover, okay? But we cannot get much bearish while we are above this support level, okay? So if they resume back up, we have Friday highs as the biggest resistance wall. And for that, I'll be looking for the leaders. I'll be looking for Apple that faded to fill the target on Apple on Friday was to fill the gap at 144.3. Did not fill the gap, so this gap 144.3 is still open. Stock at 146.9 as we speak. What I want to see, it's below the 8 and 21 day moving average. Bulls needs above 148, try to take it into 150. Bears need to fade below 146, roll over below 144.46 Friday lows, and below that fills the gap at 144. I'll be also watching Tesla that had a beautiful fade on Friday. It was also a name that we traded on Friday. So congratulations to the shorts. We were seeing bearish options activity into put 700. It hit 725 cents. So basically missed the target from 25 cents. Now what? It's $30 from up from the Friday lows. I want to see still inside action. Bulls needs above 743. That's Friday highs. Bears needs below $700. So it can print here an inside action. So waiting for clues. IWM, it's gapping up this morning, okay, at 189. I want to see if they are able to fill the gap. It has a big gap, so 189 is my support level. If it breaks down below 189, I'll be looking to fill the gap at 187.9. If it holds 189 and if it goes above 190, 190 is the supply zone. If it goes above, it can squeeze all the way into 193, 194. That's the biggest supply zone ahead. I'll be watching also the cubes. Less than 2 minutes for the market open, guys. I'll be watching the cubes. Some relative weakness this morning on some of those names. I'll be watching bulls needs to hold 310. That's the level. Above 310 can go into 314, 315. That's last week highs. Below 310, we have the 8 and 21 day moving average once again as the support. That's basically Friday low. So also to keep it on watch. JP Morgan is showing some relative strength this morning, 132. It has a big supply zone, 133, 135. They have big bullish options activity. If you look into your options chain, I'll be watching if it holds 131, okay? If it holds 131, can squeeze a little bit higher, but keeping on my watch. So right now, the market has been tough with 1 minute for the market open, guys. has been tough with inside action, as we saw on many names: Facebook inside action, NVDA inside action last week. Cubes had inside action, Spy had some inside action on Friday. So I'll be watching for a move out of the range, staying open-minded and trying to generate some cash flow. Okay, so 30 seconds for the market to open and entering trading mode. $15 seconds for market to open. 10, 5, good luck guys. So the market opened with some gap up to start the morning. AMD, NVDA, Tesla, they are bouncing. Apple bouncing. AMD, Facebook bouncing. So we have some bounces here. AMD very, very strong. AMD has been a beast lately. IWM some fading. Maybe to fill the gap on IWM. Let's wait to see. Trying to be patient here. NVDA big bounce also. Trying to be patient. JP Morgan some fading. JP Morgan some AMD very, very strong on AMD on some bull flow. Not chasing these moves, guys. Buying some fading. IWM some fading. IWM some fading. It has a gap to fill on IWM. IWM some fading. IWM fading. I got some puts on IWM. Filling the gap on IWM. IWM filling the gap. Buying some fading. Tesla fading. Tesla fading. IWM some attempt to fill the gap. The gap fills at 187.9. Let's see if it fills. Tesla weak. Okay, IWM fading. IWM new lows on the day. Trimming some on IWM. JKS, higher on bull flow, JKS. NVDA down, NVDA fading, IWM fading. Okay, trimming some on IWM. The gap on IWM fills at 187.9. Boeing fading. Boeing goes green to red. Boeing goes green to red. IWM, some more fading. Here we go, IWM. Here we go, new lows on the day, filling the gap. Come on, guys. Come on. Some more fading, IWM. IWM, some more fading, filling the gap on IWM. IWM, new lows on the day. Okay, 50% on IWM. 50% in 5 minutes, guys. 50% IWM, 5 minutes. Tesla fading, so we have here some, and Boeing, big move down on Boeing. Big move down on Boeing. Tesla fading on more bear flow. More bear flow on put 700 on Tesla. So and IWM filling the gap. And gap filled, gap. Gap filled on IWM, guys. Well done. We filled the gap on IWM. And fading. Nice short, guys. Nice short. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. Come on. Bring it down, guys. Some more. Come on. You can do it. That's it. That's it. Okay, trimming some more. 70% gains in 6 minutes, guys. 70% gains in 6 minutes. So come on. Some more fading. Boeing, ugly move on Boeing. Big reversal sell on Boeing and fading bear flow on Boeing. So this is not pretty. Not pretty on Boeing. So NVIDIA also fading. We have SPY new lows on the day. Yeah, SPY filled the gap also. New lows on the day on SPY. Tesla. Nice shorts, guys. Okay, IWM, some more fading. Here we go, guys. IWM, some more fading. Come on. That's it. Here we go. Here we go. New lows on the day. IWM coming. Here we go. Okay, trim some more. 80% gains in 8 minutes. Well done, guys. Facebook also fading. Facebook also fading. So SPY filled the gap. The cubes reversal sell. Let's see if they fade it some more. So far we have lower highs on the week. So let's see if things go uglier. Boeing is very ugly. Boeing is very ugly. Rejected right at 140. Tesla also big fade. NVDA also. AMD fading. So yeah, the last week leaders and AMD is fading and with some bear flow. Rejected at 109 on AMD. 109 big supply zone. Facebook also rejected at 194 new lows on the day. Tesla very ugly. That bear flow on put 700 on Tesla worked well. JP Morgan bouncing. JP Morgan bouncing. Boeing really ugly. Big sell on Boeing on that bear flow, guys. Apple trying to hold. Boeing very ugly. Apple new highs on the day, some relative strength there. SPY bouncing. So yeah, they filled the gap and now squeezing higher. Boeing very ugly. Very ugly on Boeing, guys. Very ugly on Boeing. On bear flow. Really ugly action on Boeing, guys. So careful. JP Morgan higher on the bull flow. Oracle, some bull flow on Oracle. Oracle, not chasing, but I had to watch. AMD trying to hold above 107. No trade here for now. Trying to be patient. One of the ugliest ones today is actually Boeing. Rejected at 141. Tesla some more fading on that bear flow, guys. I gave the put 700 on Tesla and they going. IWM some more fading. IWM some more fading. Here we go, guys. Push. Here we go. New lows on the day. IWM. Here we go. New lows on the day. Facebook heavy also. IWM some more fading. IWM almost red. Facebook fading. Facebook new lows on the day. Some more bear flow on Facebook. IWM some more fading. Almost red on IWM. AMD is heavy. I'm not heading to the AMD. Also NVDA not touching. We have a lower high so far versus last week, guys. So it's early in the week. But I'm not chasing anything. Boeing very ugly. AMD new lows on the day on that bear flow. AMD some more bear flow. Watch out. We have puts 100 on AMD. Not chasing any move here, guys. Facebook, some more fading on that bear flow. Cubes fading on bear flow. Bear flow on cubes. Puts 309, puts 308. SPY also fading. Reversal sell. Tesla really those puts on Tesla, put 700, guys, that I gave you on the bearish options activity, they going fast. Oracle new highs on the day on that bull flow, guys. New highs on the day on Oracle. Not chasing. I'm not chasing any move, guys. Wood, some bull flow on wood. Robin Hood, some bull flow. Oracle new highs on the day. Facebook new lows on the day on that bear flow. I got some calls on wood. Robin Hood new highs on the day. Put here the chart. Robin Hood new highs on the day. Some more bull flow on Robin Hood. I trim some on Robin Hood. Nice quick moves. Market slow now. Market getting slow, so be careful. Market slow now, stalled a bit. Trying to be patient. I sold the rest on Robinhood. Boeing trying to bounce from the lows. Market really all over the place. Apple some fading. Apple some fading. Got some puts on Apple. I trim some on Apple. Apple so far rejected at the 21-day moving average. Facebook weak. Facebook weak. JP Morgan keeps going on some bull flow. Not chasing the move, but congratulations longs. NVDA and AMD stuck slow, not chasing. IWM still heavy. Apple fading. I trim some on Apple. Wood going again. Wood going again. AXTA. 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 Some bull flow on AXTA, guys. Wood going, guys. Wood going after our calls. Sold Apple. SPY bouncing. Wood, nice move on wood, guys. IWM bouncing now. Wood, new highs on the day, following our calls. Facebook bouncing now. Facebook bouncing. Got some calls on Facebook. Facebook bouncing. Wood going, guys. Well done on wood. So market bouncing now, IWM bouncing. So use the morning lows as your key support. AMD continues to show some relative strength. I'm not chasing the move, but yeah, what? New highs on the day, AMD now going. Tesla also bouncing. Now some bull flow, call 750 on Tesla. JP Morgan keeps going on more bull flow. IWM bouncing. Some bull flow on IWM now, guys. Calls 188 on IWM. So they fill the gap and squeezing now. Tesla bounced now on bull flow. Wood going. Amazing move on Wood, guys. Well done. Look, double digits on Wood, guys. Wood going. So we got the calls on Wood, the calls 950 at 30 cents, down here right now 49 and going. On Wood, congratulations. Tesla now bounce also from the lows. Now they flip into bull flow, call 750 on Tesla. Cubes squeezing. Cube squeezing now. Calls 310, 311, 312 on cubes. Cubes need to go into 314 to make new highs on the week. AMD having some trouble once again at 109. I'm not fading it, but keeping on watch. So they bought the dip. Let's see. AMD can squeeze higher, but the move a little bit extended. But yeah, it can go. Me just not liking to chase the move. IWM was the star of the day so far. On the morning fade, it was a good one to fill the gap. The idea on IWM was actually to fill the gap, and they filled the gap, did not get follow through downside, and we closed nice gains on IWM, 80% gains. SPY needs above 417 to make new highs on the week. Apple still trying and fighting here for 148 plus. Boeing, no clue what the hell happened on Boeing, but basically big downside just to bounce once again. I sold Facebook. I got back into Facebook, cheaper. Nice move on wood. I locked 50% gains, but it kept going some more, so congratulations. So IWM bounced on that bull flow. Amazon, some bull flow on Amazon. Amazon that split today. Not chasing any move on Amazon. AMD really having some hard time at 109. But it's hard to short. Market breadth for now in the green. Okay, I trimmed some on Facebook. Oracle, nice move on that bull flow, guys. Congratulations. Also on wood, well done. AMD is still very heavy. AMD and NVDA fading. 109 is a big level on AMD. And they fading now. All over the place. They're trying again to fade AMD. Tesla. Tricky market, guys. Okay, I'm not shorting. I'm not shorting for now. It's a tricky place. To start the day, it was a little bit easier to short IWM because the idea was to fill the gap. It filled the gap and bounced. We locked gains on the way up, so congratulations everyone. On the way down, sorry. On the way down, 80% gains, so we did well. We tried to short AMD versus 21-day moving average, but they squeeze it higher, and I close it. Wood, we locked the 50% gains, so it was a great one. Still making more than 50% gains, and it gave a re-entry, okay, on those calls on wood. It gave a re-entry again at 30 cents. And right now at 47, so congratulations. But AMD seems tired. Okay, AMD seems tired. AMD got rejected again at 109. That's a big level on AMD. 109. But once again, as I've been saying, it's hard to short. Wood pushing. Wood pushing. Trying to be patient. Apple fading now. AMD is still heavy. AMD is still heavy. But as I've been saying, it's hard to short. Facebook squeezing. Here we go. We are long on Facebook, guys. We are long on Facebook. Trimming Sam on Facebook. Facebook needs above 195. Okay, above 195 can go all the way into 200. But yeah, market really all over the place. Now IWM fading again. Jesus. Slow now. Very, very slow. So I'm trying to be patient here. F sell some bull flow. Facebook going. Facebook needs above 195. F sell new highs on the day. F sell going. F sell new highs on the day. Some bull flow on F sell. Not sure if news, but yep, going. New highs on the day as we speak. F sell going. And going. F sell going. JP Morgan stalled. Facebook, guys. Facebook going. Here we go. Facebook going. We need above 195 on Facebook. F sell. F sell going. 440. Well done, guys. Well done. Nice move, F sell. Wood new highs on the day. Well done. Doing some more on Facebook. Yeah, fading now once again. This market is really all over the place. F sell holding well on that bull flow. JP Morgan now fading. Small put flow on JP Morgan. Not sure if it will play out, but just to small. We have big options flow on JP Morgan on those calls, but now seeing some bear flow, maybe some edging. FCL, nice move on FCL, guys. FCL, new highs on the day. And explodes. FCL going. Woo! Getting hot FCL. I trim some on Facebook. Nice move on FCL, guys. We alerted 430 right now, 445, 15 cents per share. Nice one. Wood keeps going, new highs on the day. So we got the calls on Wood 950. We got at 30 cents right now. They are at 50. Nice move on Wood, guys. Trying to have some patience. We are holding Facebook calls. Facebook needs above 195. Above 195, it has $200. Trying to have some more patience. It was nice to buy, to close those calls and buy it cheaper. Okay. Below $1. Right now they are at 130. Trying to have patience. Facebook needs above 195. Still inside action on Facebook. So it had an inside day on Friday, and we need to break above 195 to try to go into Friday highs 196.6 and get out of this range, okay? And Facebook going some more. Let's try to be some to have some patience here on Facebook. Some V bottoms intraday. Once again, the idea on the IWM short was pretty much to fill the gap. They filled the gap. We closed the short, and they bounce. And we on the bounce we got some Facebook calls for sorry guys, for some nice cash flow. Now I'm trying to be patient, trimming profits on the way, but trying to be patient. AMD is really some relative weakness. some relative weakness on AMD, but it's normal after a big move. After a big move on AMD, it's normal. SPY bounce, Tesla bounce. Once again, I'm trying to be patient here, but action very slow. Boeing this morning, out of nowhere, big fade from 141, just to make a V bottom, okay? So yeah, market tricky. So that's why we take our cash flow and move into the next one. That's why we lock the gains on IWM short and flip into Facebook calls. And we got first at $1, then we bought it below $1, and right now they are at 30% up. And FCL keeps going, guys. FCL keeps going. Well done. FCL keeps going, and 450, 20 cents, nice move, guys. Okay, Facebook trying now. Facebook needs above 195, guys. Wood also new highs on the day. FCL new highs on the day. Facebook going. As I said, I'm trying to be patient to hold those calls a little bit more. Tesla bounced and keeps going on those calls 750, okay? Market red, still on the green. FCL, nice move. Tesla going on those calls 750, but Tesla going. Yeah, but market slow, very slow. AMD paused. That does not mean it's an easy short, but yeah, it's a pause after such a strong move. Can spend some time consolidation, Bears needs below 106, bulls needs above 110. Tesla, they keep squeezing more on more bull flow. If you are long, you should be trimming your gains on the way up. SoFi, some bull flow on SoFi. SoFi, some bull flow. JP Morgan, some fading. AMD continues to show some relative weakness. Oracle holding well after that bull flow, flagging but not chasing it. Wood pretty much the same, new highs on the day. It was nice on wood. Okay, Facebook trying now. I'm trying to be patient, but this market very slow. Facebook needs above 195. Apple squeezing. Apple right at 21-day moving average. We tried a short, did not work. MGNI, some bull flow. MGNI. I got some calls, MGNI. Still very, very slow. But market red still on the green. Slow but on the green. Okay, I sold Facebook. Took the gains. Choppy action, guys. FCL, it was a good one. Robinhood, new highs on the day. So yeah, it was good on Robinhood. So congratulations. And going Robinhood. Well then. Well done on Robinhood. Yeah, but the market very slow now. AMD stalled. Apple slowly trying to break the 21-day moving average. Boeing pretty much all over the place. Big sell program on Boeing out of the gate, just to make a V bottom and back flat. So printing a kind of a doji. Facebook, we had calls. I locked the gains, maybe a bit too soon, but yeah, inside action, inside day once again. So it had an inside day on Friday, inside day again. So keeping Facebook on watch to get out of this range. FCL, it was on the alert at 4.30, it gone all the way into 4.50, so 20 cents per share. Congratulations to those that got in. Wood, we got the calls 9.50 at 30 cents. Okay, I can put here the chart at 90 cents. I closed for a very nice cash flow at 45. It gone all the way into 56. So yeah, almost a double. Congratulations. IWM, it was the beautiful trade of the day. Out of the gate, we got puts on IWM to fill the gap. Okay, fill the morning gap. It opened at 189, the gap was at 187.90, and boom, fill the gap, and did not have follow through continuation. So we closed the puts. It was the wise thing to do. Now we wait to see. It's inside action, very tight, so tricky to go long, tricky to short. JP Morgan had some bull flow out of the gate, but stalled. Microsoft stalled, NVDA slow, stalled. Oracle fading. Okay, after that initial bull flow, some fading. The cube stalled 312. Bulls needs above 314 if they want it. SoFi also nice pop following the alert. SPY stalled 416, needs above 417 for the bull case. So not much to do here. Tesla stalled, not much to do here, guys. It's tricky to short, it's tricky to go long, and they are basically killing the premium. They are trading it very slow, killing the options premium, so you be careful. IWM trying now to squeeze. Some flow on the calls, 188 on IWM. But needs to go. Market red still on the green, new highs on the day. So yeah. But we need price confirmation, okay? So basically with the SPY cubes flat, it's hard to risk much here because they are going slow, killing the options premium, so not easy. One of the possible ways to do it is sell premium, sell options. Okay, you can do it. It's not my way of trading, but yep, you can do it. Very slow. Some programs, selling programs on Apple at 21-day moving average. Again. Nice move on wood, guys. Nice move on wood. Spy holding well and trying higher. Let's see. Needs above 417 on spy. Cubes need above 314 to make new highs on the week. Facebook trying again, but yeah, too choppy for me. This is a patience game. Not seeing much to do here, guys, honestly. Not seeing much to do. AMD continues to see some relative weakness. NVDA also some fading. Not sure if it will play out, but JP Morgan now fading. I got some puts on NVIDIA. Small. I had some more on NVIDIA. Okay, let's see. But yeah, it's tricky, so be careful. But AMD weak. Apple fading now, NVIDIA fading. NVIDIA fading. Apple fading. But once again, this is a tricky market, so be careful. Slow, very, very slow. Apple some more fading, but still not falling apart, still above 148. AMD week. Semis were the leaders last week, now lagging. Okay, NVIDIA some fading. NVIDIA fading. So semis are heavy, okay, but still not falling apart. So not an easy environment for now, but trying to be patient here. Very slow and choppy, guys. Not much to do here, guys. Not much to do here. Yeah, but the semis continue very, very weak. AMD very weak. but AMD is still green, but fading. AMD needs below 107. But it's not an easy environment, guys. Slow and choppy. Boeing now goes back into the green. Amazing. Yeah, Boeing back into the green. Amazing. What can we say? Amazing. We cannot say much here. IWM trying again now. Wood stalled at 980. Microsoft trying to go, but slow. AMD trying again the fade. AMD keeps trying to fade. Apple again having some hard time to break the 21-day moving average. So Apple again rejected at 148. But who knows? Okay, MV, let's see, Tesla fading. Tesla fading again. This market all over the place. Okay, now once again on Apple, bear flow on Apple. Once again, not sure if this thing will play out. They may be looking for that gap to fill on Apple, but who knows? DraftKings, some bull flow on DraftKings, DKNG, but who knows? Very broken. Okay, NVDA, some fading. Okay guys, let's see if we can make some. Here we go, NVDA. Here we go, come on. NVDA fading. Okay, trimming some at 170. Let's see, AMD into the lows. NVIDIA chasing the move down also. Okay. Come on guys. We need it down. So we have the morning lows on NVIDIA 188.57. Below that we have 184, 185. But we need it below 188. Come on. AMD new lows on the day. Okay, we are short on NVIDIA, guys. We are short on NVIDIA. Come on, push. That's it. Come on. Apple now. Okay, Apple coming. NVIDIA coming. NVIDIA coming nicely. So we are short on NVIDIA, guys. We are short on NVIDIA. We are short on NVIDIA. Come on, some more. Come on, we need below NVIDIA. Let's put chart here. We need NVIDIA below 188. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. AMD new lows on the day. So SPY fading. Apple now coming. Apple now coming. AMD weak. So AMD put the high for now on the week. Let's see. 190.57. 109, sorry. So let's see. That's our key resistance for now on AMD 109.57. Let's see the rest. NVIDIA coming. Come on guys, push. We need NVIDIA below 188 to try to go into 185. That's the next one. Okay, SPY fading. SPY IWM cubes fading. Okay, they fading. NVDA coming. Come on, guys, push. So we have some rollover here. SPY and cubes so far lower highs. SPY and the cube so far lower highs, so watch out, guys. Still too soon, but so far lower highs. 312 on the cubes versus 314. So the cubes have a gap to fill at $300. The gap on Apple fills at 144.3. Okay, Apple rejected at the 21-day moving average, and so far also a lower high. So for now, today, consider this the resistance for the week for now. NVDA coming, trimming some above 2 on NVDA. So we are short on NVDA, guys. We are short on NVDA. Now let's see. NVDA has a gap to fill at 180. The gap on NVDA fills at 180. Okay, NVIDIA coming. We are short on NVIDIA, guys. NVIDIA coming. Market red fades from the highs. Market red fades from the highs. We are short on NVIDIA, guys. Here we go. NVIDIA coming. Nice short, guys. Nice short. AMD goes green to red. AMD goes green to red. NVIDIA coming fast now. Here we go. NVIDIA new lows on the day. Okay, coming nicely. NVIDIA. Let's see if it goes green to red on NVIDIA. We need green to red, guys. Here we go. Come on. Down some more on NVIDIA. Apple fading. Yeah, market rolling over now. Apple new lows on the day. Okay, looking to fill those gaps, guys. NVIDIA coming. Nice short. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Rolling over. Bring it down, guys. Bring it down. That's it. NVIDIA new lows on the day. That's it. Come on. Push. Push. Here we go. Flash it. Come on. Come on. That's it. Here we go. Here we go. Nice one. Trimming some at 240. So we got puts on NVIDIA, puts 180. Okay. Puts 180 on NVIDIA. It's time stamped. The low of the day 141. We got our at my average at 156 and right now 242. Okay, so from 156 all the way into 242 as we speak. I trimmed some at 240 and riding the rest. So most of the names rolling over. Okay, Apple new lows on the day after a reversal sell. Okay, after a reversal sell. They need Apple below 144.46 to fill gap at 144.3. AMD gone green to red after stalling at 109. Nice sell there. Boeing goes back into the green all over the place. Boeing all over the place. Big move down, reverse back up, stalled at 140, rolling over again. Facebook we played along, then rolling over. We did well closing those calls on AMD and flipping into closing the calls on Facebook and rolling into NVIDIA puts. Okay, and one of the things that made me jump into NVIDIA puts was the semis. Okay, with AMD, one of the first names that shows some relative weakness. I've been insisting on that relative weakness, so I flipped short into NVIDIA. NVIDIA was holding well, and now it's playing the catch-up down. So AMD gone green to red, NVIDIA should go next. Okay, SPY new lows on the day, Cubes new lows on the day, Apple new lows on the day, Microsoft new lows on the day, Facebook rolling over. Come on, guys, push it. 185 is the next level on NVIDIA. And NVIDIA coming. Here we go. 185. Come on. We are at 187. Push. Market red still green, but off the highs. So yeah, we have lots of room for downside, guys. We have lots of room for downside. Microsoft. So most of the names lower highs. So if this is confirmed, okay, we should see lower lows. But we need confirmation. So far use today highs of the day as your key resistance for the week. So far lower highs as we speak versus last week highs. Tesla back into lows. If Tesla breaks below $700, can go very, very early. $700 is the level on Tesla. Right now Tesla inside day. Oracle fading from the highs, following the morning flow. So most of the names are rolling over. Wood, Robinhood fading also. FCL fading also. So that's why we cannot marry with trades, okay? We cannot marry with trades. You get in, get your cash flow, go back into the cash. JP Morgan, reversal sell. So far lower highs, guys. From lower highs, we should see lower lows. JP Morgan gap fills at 187. 127.8. Stock now above 130. New lows on the day, JP Morgan. So yeah, if you look on JP Morgan, okay, we seeing some, if it breaks below 130, watch out, goes fill the gap at 127, okay? With the next level 126, that's the 21-day moving average. So SPY, if it breaks below 412, we have 410, 408, 407. Okay, JP Morgan will lose on the day. Ugly reversal sell on JP Morgan, making a reversal sell and lower high versus last week highs. So careful. Okay, I'm trying to be patient. We are short on NVDA. Making 50% gains on NVIDIA as we speak. I'm trying to be patient, but this market is really slow and tough. Okay, and tough. Okay, NVIDIA needs below 187, guys. Bread is on the green, but weak, very weak for now. If they flip it from green to red on the market red, this can go ugly. So let's see, trying to be patient. But it's hard. As I usually say, it's hard to hold the bag for too long. $412 is the level on SPY. That's a big level. So far they holding. IWM so far trying a higher low. I'm not buying it, but slow, very, very slow. Come on. Patience, a lot of patience. AMD still weak. AMD has, if they want it, they have room into 104, 102, and $100. But who knows? This market is tough. Lots of mixed signals. Microsoft week. Microsoft week, AMD week, Tesla week, Apple week, Facebook, JP Morgan, SPY, Cubes, IWM. So for now the market very, very weak. But they need follow-through continuation for the downside. Tesla, $700 is the level to watch on Tesla. If they break down there, it can go very ugly, as the next level is at 620. Microsoft goes green to red. Microsoft goes green to red. Once again, not pretty. Last week closed on Microsoft 261. So yeah, lots of room if they want it to break down. The real question is, what is the next leader? Okay, because last week we had some big leaders on semi land. AMD, it was one of the leaders. NVDA same, but right now they stalled. JP Morgan also, it has been a nice leader up, and now it's also fading, reversal sell. So financials also getting weak, tech weak. NVIDIA coming. Okay, NVIDIA coming. Let's see if we get the next leg. NVIDIA needs below 187 to follow AMD down. We have levels all the way into 185, 183, and below that NVIDIA has a gap to fill at 180 and 90 cents. Okay, some more on NVDA. Needs new lows on the day for the next leg down. Okay, I sold NVIDIA, maybe a bit too soon, but I take the gains. So guys, a summary, more than 2 hours of trading. Let's try to summarize things. Okay, let's try to summarize things. We start the day with the IWM short. So we shorted this. This was a little bit easier because the idea was basically to fill the gap at 187.9. It filled the gap, we closed. It was a nice 80% runner. Then we also got some Robinhood calls. Okay, the calls 950 down here all the way from 30 cents. I closed mine at 45. They got all the way. We can go and see where they got it. Let's see. From 30 cents they hit 56. I closed mine at 45, 50% gains. So happy with that. We also got some Apple. Okay, some Apple. Where is Apple? We got some Apple. We tried to short Apple. It did not work, so I closed it. Then we got some Facebook calls. The idea was to go from Facebook. The idea was to go from red to green, try to make here a new highs on the day. I closed when they start rolling over and not able to make a higher high. We also got some NVIDIA, okay, and those were another one that it gone very, very well. NVIDIA puts, okay, the puts 180 and the puts 180, okay. The low of the day 141, these are the puts. My average was at 156 and I closed at 240, the high of the day 246. And yeah, if NVIDIA breaks below 187, we have 183, 185, and below that gap to fills at 180. But for my risk management perspective, I don't like to risk too much. The market is choppy. So we have seen it all, lots of traps. They try to trap the longs. Now they can try to trap the shorts once again. So it's a tricky place. So I prefer to wait and see where we can go from here. And so I locked my gains. So with this said, I'm going to give some time for the market to digest these up and down moves, okay? So we are getting a little bit seasick on these up and down moves. No, not much follow through continuation one way or the other. So we are printing inside days, inside action. No real direction here. So we try to ride the waves, not hold the bag for too long, get profits, and we reevaluate from there. So I'm closing the live trading session and I'll be looking for new setups. If I get any new trade, I will let you know on Discord, so stay tuned on Discord. And congratulations all. It was not easy, but it was good. The IWM short out of the gate. The Robinhood calls and the NVDA fade with those puts working nicely. After seeing the relative weakness on AMD and the rest of the semis, it was a nice decision to short AMD and nice gains there. Okay, so it is set, time to go, and see you all later. Bye bye everyone.